Do you use the knee flexion or the leg curl machine at your gym? A lot of people do some classic errors when they use this machine, but we have some tips to help you avoid those. Hey, welcome back to Trainer Tip Tuesday, everybody. This month we are talking about the knee flexion or the leg curl machine. This machine is one of the most commonly used machines in the gym, but it's often one of the most misused machines as well. We have some tips to help you avoid those errors though and get the most out of this exercise that you can.
This week we're going to be talking about what the function of a thigh pad is on the knee flexion machine and how to position it. Some knee flexion machines have a thigh pad and some do not, and I definitely recommend finding a machine with a thigh pad because it does serve a very important function. A thigh pad is here and it will go up and down, and when you sit down on the machine, you want this thigh pad to lower down onto the top of your thighs right above your knees. Now, you don't want to smash your knees down so that you're pushing your knees past their normal neutral, but you want them to be comfortably snug so that when you do your knee flexion or you do your rep, that your thighs do not move. The function of a thigh pad is to keep your femurs steady. So next time you're doing a knee flexion with a thigh pad, make sure you lower your thigh pad down to keep your thighs from moving.
Make sure to use this tip the next time you use the knee flexion machine to get the most from this exercise and stay safe while doing so.
Oh, thank you.
I love it.
Okay, you take it back.